Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where you get your daily dose of AWS topics. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for joining me once again. It's great to have you back. Today we're diving into Golden AMI. Whether you're here to learn something new or brush up your cloud skills, this video has got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep building our AWS knowledge together, one daily dose at a time. So, a golden AMI is a pre-configured and secure Amazon machine image that serves as a standardized template for launching Amazon EC2 instances in AWS. This is a key concept in AWS for maintaining consistency, security, and compliance across your infrastructure. Here are the key points about a golden AMI. Number one, purpose, standardization. Ensures that all EC2 instances launched from it are uniform, reducing configuration drift. Optimization includes updates, optimizations, and pre-install softwares to save time. Compliance meets security and compliance requirements by including necessary patches and configurations. Number two, contents. A golden AMI typically includes operating system, a specific version of an OS, example Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, and Windows. Security updates, the latest security patches and updates. Pre-installed software, applications, utilities, and or agents, example monitoring tools, logging agents. Configuration settings, predefined configurations like SSH access or application settings. Hardened security settings, adjustments for improved security such as disabling unused services. Number three, creation process. Base AMI selection. Start with an official AMI provided by AWS or a trusted source. Customization. Customization. Install updates, secure application, and configure settings. Testing. Test the AMI to ensure it works as expected. Versioning. Assign a version number to the golden AMI for tracking updates. Tagging. Use AWS tags to label the AMI with relevant metadata for easy management. Number 4. Lifecycle management. Regularly update the golden AMI to include the latest security patches, software updates, or configuration changes. Decommission outdated AMIs to avoid accidental use. Number 5. Benefits. Consistency. All applications launched are identical, reducing errors and inconsistencies. Efficiency. Reduces the time needed for post-launch configurations. Security. Minimizes vulnerabilities by including up-to-date patches and security best practices. Compliance. Specifies audits and compliance verification. Example use case. A company may create a golden AMI for its web servers. This AMI includes a specific Linux OS version, Apache web server pre-installed and configured, security tools like AWS Systems Manager Agent or antivirus software, specific security configurations for compliance with organizational standards. By using this golden AMI, every web server launch will meet the company's operational and security standards, reducing variability and deployment time. Alright, so cool. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep building our AWS knowledge together, one daily dose at a time. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye bye.